locations in... Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Joe Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 3 p.m. At 2:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gratiot to near McConnell to Scioto Mills, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Freeport, Cedarville, Buena Vista, Scioto Mills, McConnell, Damascus, Stevenson County Fairgrounds and Red Oak around 2:20 p.m. Oneko and Orangeville around 2:25 p.m. Dakota, Wenatchee, Dakota Dornick Airport and Ifoki around 2:30 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Rydon, Rock Road, Rock City, Davis, and Lake Somerset. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.